Log into usBIM with your credentials. Create a new usBIM.clash editable document. Assign a title and a name to the file. Select and federate the models to be subjected to geometric verification. Add a manual selection group. Define a title for the selection group. Manually select the items subject to verification from the model or structure. Add the objects from the selection. Select the elements and define the type of comparison. Set the calculation parameters to check collisions, minimum distances, or tolerances. Start calculation. View the calculation results. View colliding elements. And analyze individual collisions. Export the verification report in different file format.